By now, we've talked about pad printing machines, configurations, and inks. In this video, we're going to focus on two components that have a huge impact on print quality: the pad and the printing plate. The printing plate contains the image to be transferred. That image is etched into the plate surface, and the depth and quality of that etch play a major role in how much ink is picked up. Plates can be made from different materials, and selecting the right plate helps ensure consistent ink transfer and long plate life. Plate types vary depending on required image quality, desired plate life, and speed of production. Plate design also affects registration and repeatability. When registration is built directly into the plate, setups are faster and more consistent from job to job. That consistency becomes especially important in multicolor applications. The silicone pad is what actually transfers the ink from the plate to the part. Pads come in many shapes, sizes, and hardness levels, and each one behaves differently during printing. The pad must be soft enough to conform to the part, but firm enough to release the ink cleanly. Pad shape affects how the ink rolls off the pad and onto the part. Hardness impacts how much pressure is applied and how well the ink releases. Generally, a harder pad produces a better image, but comes at the cost of conforming to the part's geometry. Choosing the right pad is critical for achieving clean edges and consistent results. Using the wrong pad or plate is a common cause of print defects, including smearing, ghosting, or incomplete ink transfer. Often, small changes to pad selection or plate design can solve quality issues quickly. In the next video, we'll look at common pad printing defects and how to troubleshoot them using the fundamentals we've covered so far. Have questions about plate types or pad selection? You can learn more at automarkco.com or reach out to one of our team associates. If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Hitting the bell notification will ensure you are alerted when we post more great printing content. Thanks for watching.